How to get Roblox on the Nintendo Switch 2. Here's what you want to do. Get your console and then go into System Settings here. Click on System Settings. Now you navigate to Internet. Click on Internet. Afterwards, we want to select Internet Settings, and from the list of networks that it shows, you want to choose yours or the one that you're connected to. And we will just click on Change Settings here. After you click on Change Settings, you want to scroll down until you see DNS Settings, and you will change this from automatic to manual, like this. Now, select primary DNS and you want to type this 045.055.142.122. Afterwards, we'll just click on OK and save. Alright, if we go back now, it's going to show us the network yet again, and we want to connect to it. So click on your network, the one that we just changed the settings to. It's going to tell us that we don't have an internet connection, but that's fine. Okay, we can go back. If you want to restore your internet, by the way, you will just set your DNS settings back to automatic. Alright, so click on Go to Google here from the list that it shows us. And now, as you can see, we have Google on our Nintendo Switch 2. And we're just going to search for Roblox. So search for Roblox, like so. And it's going to give us the website. Click on roblox.com here, the first website that shows up. Alright, so just click on roblox.com and it's gonna load up the Roblox website. And once it loads, right here you will be able to sign into your account by clicking on Login in the top right corner. So we're just gonna do that, click on Login, and here you type out your Roblox account info. You would log in as you would normally, and that is how you get Roblox on the Nintendo Switch 2. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.